Welcome back to Cozy Home, guys. Today is a power out cleaning with me because I really don't want to clean too much today, and I just want to enjoy this quiet and peaceful time I have by myself. It's been since February of 2020 since I've been by myself because we were moving during that time frame here to the Virginia area. And then COVID hit, so the school has shut down. So finally, all of my kids are in school today, and I'm just gonna soak it up and just enjoy this time. I don't know, I might just go out to eat to celebrate the fact that I'm by myself and just to have this relaxing time. I've already taken a 2-hour nap this morning. I haven't been sleeping really good. I think it's just anxiety that I'm gonna be by myself again, but that's okay. I'm just gonna do just a quick cleaning up. There's not that much. I'm gonna kind of show you guys around my house and everything down here. I am not gonna be touching the upstairs. It is a disaster. I have started a project up there and I have not finished it, and I need to get it done before I go on vacation to go see my brother and his wife, Tasha. I can't wait to see you guys, and of course, baby Elena. But we're gonna be heading down to Florida soon, and we're gonna take 2 of our kids to Disney World. The sad thing is that Ryder cannot go to Disney World. They won't allow him in because he doesn't wear a mask, and this COVID stuff sucks because it really messes up things for special needs people who can't do certain things, and it bites to be honest, but that's okay, guys. We're gonna do his 18th birthday. We're gonna celebrate with my brother-in-law's family and my brother, so we're just gonna do something for Ryder special for him, and I think he will like it because he doesn't usually make a big deal about things, so I think it's just gonna be nice to get a hold of the family and just hang out with them. So here is my house. I'm just gonna show you briefly the things I need to clean up, like the dog bowls, and I need to finish cleaning up my room, and I have to vacuum here because of Cable's hair. But there's not that much to do, really. It's just more tidying up down here. I got my laundry and I gotta put those things away. I'm gonna work on Ryder's room and then try to get the kitchen all in an hour. Here is my timer, and let's get started. Okay.
Told. I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out, singing like
Right here, I'm just filling up my bottle. I'm using the new apple and pear blossom. It smells pretty good. At first I wasn't liking it, but after I used it quite a bit today, I started to like it more, and it kind of just gave me that spring cleaning and nice fresh smell around the house. As you guys can see, I have my basket that I have full of things that I had already cleaned up in the other room, and now I'm just putting it away, the things that belong in my bedroom, and then I'm going to be adding some more stuff that don't belong in here, and then when I move into those rooms, I'm going to empty it out.
Feels like time is going faster than it seems. We were just two kids who were trying to live the teenage dream. We could see no reason why we should ever try to go to sleep. Remember every weekend we stayed out late and then went home to me. I wish that I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me.
I gotta pull up my hair because I am sweating so much. This is such a workout.
That I could live that dream again. 'Cause it was only you and me back then. We were never growing up, said we'd be young forever. You taught me how to love, and nothing could be better than you and me, baby, it was you and me. We could never fall, nobody could break us, yeah, I thought we had it all. Take me back to when it was you and me, baby, it was you and me. Baby, it was baby, it was. Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came for a while, I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That one's brand new. Still, it's got nothing on you tonight.
One step forward and another back. I would never try to fool ya. I'm one heartbeat away from going mad. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Every moment is another chance. Loving you is all I wanted. I'm wide open for a love affair. Girl, when you're looking like that, closer, closer, I'ma get closer to you. Yeah, got me, baby, got me hooked on you once again. Damn, girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on your bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I could never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Smiling like that, I can never resist it. Girl, I need you. How many times do I wanna yell? 'Cause we could be so complete. Baby, I'll never want anyone new. I was on the bed and you undressed. Baby, when I pulled you in and felt your breath, then I knew the girl I need you. Smiling
Well guys, I am done with my hour of cleaning. I did not get my floors done, but that's okay because it's not bad. I got a ton of stuff done today, and I'm actually pretty shocked that I actually got to help out Sissy. It's her week to do the dishes and everything, so I think when she comes home from school, I think she'll be happy that the kitchen is clean. I'm just gonna finish up these like 4 little dishes and then probably call it a quits and go ahead and maybe go take myself out to lunch. I'm thinking Chipotle or I'm thinking about Impossible Whopper. I've been really wanting an Impossible Whopper for a while now, but I know we're going to be going on our trip and everything, and I know we probably most likely will stop and get one on our way there to Florida and everything. But I got a lot done, and I want to thank you guys so much for sticking with me throughout this Power Hour clean. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And please leave a comment below. I like answering your guys' comments and everything and saying hi to you guys. It means a lot. Whenever my little charm goes off, I get excited to go run to my phone because most of the time my phone doesn't ever chirp. But it's been nice lately having you guys and my new friends coming in and chirping at me and everything, so I kind of really like it. I hope you guys just enjoy the rest of your day and this weekend. I'll see you guys next.
I say that I'm alright, but cry on the inside. I wish you were my man. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry when you're not around because it matters. Dreaming of your kisses in the nighttime, knowing what I'm missing, but I'm still like, hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered, we're just friends. Oh, yeah, I'm scattered, we're just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming, 'cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's a sleeping way. Oh, why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine.
Here is a recap of all the stuff that I had gotten done in this Power Hour cleaning. I hope you guys enjoy this, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. And if you like these types of videos, please let me know. I like doing these, they're really fun.
It's silent now, we don't say a word, we're just looking at each other. Tears in our eyes from the words we said, yeah, it kinda broke my heart. Loving you is not so goddamn easy as you think. I'm trying my best to hold on, but I feel myself giving. You know that we shouldn't keep it up like this, we hurt each other's feelings on and on. I don't wanna change who you are. The things you say is always one step too far. But I know that I've played my part.